Hey guys, so welcome to this second look in my Wearable Halloween series this year. This is just a cute little ghost themed look. Clearly you could leave the boo off the cheeks if you wanted to make it a little bit more wearable, so just keep on watching. Any black eyeshadow will do, but I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. The first step is to calm yourself because black eyeshadow can smell your fear. I'm just starting off with small amounts in the crease. Really the best tip for black eyeshadow is to start small, build your color up, blend as you go, just take it step by step. I apologize if you could hear the motorcycle in the background. I don't know why my neighbors thought that was necessary at 10 p.m, but here we are. Now I'm just packing some color on the lid before I move along to more blending. Now I'm going to go into a fluffy blending brush that has no product on it. This is a completely clean brush and I'm just going to buff out those edges. Now I'm going into a very tiny BH Cosmetics V20 brush and just packing on a little tiny bit more color. Just go in small amounts, guys. Black eyeshadow doesn't have to be scary. Just take it one step at a time, and it's easier to add than to take away, so just do small amounts. Now watch as it takes me 20 minutes to find a flat brush, and then I'm going to go in and pack more color on the lid just to darken it up and make it the deepest black I can get it. Now I'm just going to do a final little bit of blending before we move on to the next step. So now for the fun part, I'm going to take some NYX white liquid liner to create my little ghosties. I apologize that I got out of frame a couple times here. I was really focusing, but I tried to stay in frame as much as possible. You can make your ghosts whatever shape you like. I just find this little teardrop shape is just the easiest to do. It makes cute little ghosts. Also, if you're wondering why my hairline is so stained, I'm honestly not really sure. This is the time period where I was pre-creating for Halloween, so there's no telling what look stained my hairline, but this is just me pretty much all of October. I went with 3 little ghosties because I just thought that that was a good number. You can do more, you can do less, you can do whatever you want. It's your makeup, you do it how you want to. Now to add their little faces, I'm going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Any black eyeliner will do, but I'm just kind of poking it on here and giving them those little shocked ghosty faces. I also did the same thing on the other eye, but didn't film it because it was just repeating. Now I'm taking the NYX white liner again and I'm just writing boo on my face. You want to make sure that in the mirror it looks backwards to you, because if it looks right in the mirror it'll be backwards in person, and my eyeliner is drying up, so I had a little bit of trouble with this. Now obviously this part is optional. It makes the look a little bit less wearable, but I just thought it was a cute addition. But just doing the ghost is adorable and would be a little bit more wearable. Also on my lips, I'm wearing Night Rider by Gerard Cosmetics. It's one of their Hydra matte liquid lips, which is a very comfortable formula, and this color is really cool. I know most people probably would have done a black liquid lipstick with this look, but I wanted to add just a little bit of color to it. Now that I'm done with my lettering, I'm just going to go in with the black liquid liner again, and I'm going to kind of outline and give some shadowing to this. If you wanted to skip this step, you totally could. I just wanted to add some dimension, but it is kind of easy to accidentally mess up like I did right there. So I completely understand if you don't want to outline the lettering. I honestly kind of almost regretted my decision to do so once I started doing it because it got kind of difficult, but I pulled through in the end and I think it gave it a cool effect. After I finish this up, I'm just going to slap on a wig because I was too lazy to do my hair, and this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you recreate it. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys again soon.